Sun glare just killed my KD ratio. And I'm not talking metaphorically. I mean literally, flashbanged by daylight. It was one of those matches. You know the kind. Squad's on point, comms are clean, you've got your favorite loadout, everything's flowing. Final circle, 2 teams left. I pop you a V push-up, and then it hits. Not a player, not a sniper. The sun. A goddamn beam of light bounces off my neighbor's car, slices through the blinds, and lands right on my screen like a solar-powered aimbot. Instantly, I'm squinting. Gone. Can't see enemies. Can't read the minimap. I'm ducking and weaving like it's real life, and I'm being interrogated by sunlight. So I pause like mid-fight to pull my hoodie over the screen like a caveman blackout curtain. Do I win the match? Nope. Do I rage quit? Absolutely. And here's the thing. This wasn't the first time. I'd been losing fights to sunlight for weeks. Early morning raids. Ruined. Afternoon ranked grind. Washed out. Even late night sessions when I forget to close the curtains. Moonlight glare off the screen like a horror movie. I realized something. I spent thousands on monitors, mice, keyboards, even a noise-canceling mic. But my setup was still vulnerable to a window, so I searched. I tried blackout curtains, too bulky. Tried stick-on blinds, ugly and annoying. Tried closing them manually, which, let's be honest, I never remembered to do until I was already losing. Then I found this thing. A smart curtain motor. Tiny little device, mounts to the rail, connects to an app, and boom. Automated curtain control. I set it to close at 2:45 p.m., right when the sun starts creeping in. Or I just tap my phone mid-match if I need it. I don't even think about it anymore. No more reaching across my setup. No more looking like a vampire trying to hide from daylight. No more duct taping a blanket to the window. It's silent, fast, and honestly, it just works. Now when I lose, it's not because of glare. It's because someone was better, or more likely cheating. So if you're serious about your setup, whether you stream game competitively or just don't want to play in a sauna, click the link in bio. Grab it while it's still 20% off with free shipping. Start winning against the sun. Your Katie will thank you.